Welcome back. In this video we are going to configure DKIM. DKIM stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail. It is an email validation system designed to detect email spoofing. This setup is necessary to ensure mails, newsletters do not get flagged as spam. Open the file attached with this lecture. Install the OpenDKIM and its dependencies using this command. Next we are going to configure OpenDKIM. Obviously, to configure OpenDKIM, we need to open configuration file of DKIM. Copy this command. DKIM config file is inside etc directory. Now uncomment this line and replace example with your domain name. Uncomment these two lines also. Here change selector to mail. Next go to the end of this file. Now press enter. From this document copy these lines and paste it in here. We need to copy few more lines. Copy it and paste it. Now verify the modification. After that save and exit. Press escape :WQ. Now we will connect Milter to Postfix. Milter is none other than an extension to mail transfer agent like Postfix and SendMail. It allows to add mail filters for filtering viruses or spam in mail processing chain. Edit the OpenDKIM file which is at this location. Copy this command and paste it. Now copy this line and paste it in here. Save this file and exit. Next we will configure Postfix so that Postfix will be able to utilize Milter. Open the main configuration file of Postfix by using this command. Next look for these two lines. Seems like they are not here. Let's add these lines. Next look for these two lines. Seems like they are also not here. So we need to append these two lines. If they are present in your file, append these lines separated by comma. Next we are going to specify trusted hosts. For that we need to create directory structure that will hold the trusted hosts, key tables, sign-in tables and crypto keys. Let's begin by creating OpenDKIM folder. Sudo mkdir/etc/OpenDKIM. After that make new directory inside just created OpenDKIM. Sudo make directory/etc/OpenDKIM/keys. Now create trusted hosts. Use these commands one by one. Now add these lines to trusted hosts file. Basically by adding these hosts, IP addresses and domains we are telling OpenDKIM they are trusted. That is example.com is trusted, localhost is trusted and message originated from them should be signed. In here we are using wildcard so that even mails from subdomain will get signed. Just in case if you have multiple domains or you want to specify multiple domains, you can do that by adding these lines and also don't forget to uncomment them. Next we are going to create key table. Use these comments one by one. Create key table using touch command. Now edit the key table file. Basically, a key table contains each selector, domain pair, and the path to their private key. Here our selector is mail and domain is elfsbox.com and the path to private key. Next we will create signing table. Use this command. Here all mails from this domain and subdomains will be signed by mail._domain_key.domain_name.tld. Replace example with your domain. Now let's create public and private key. To do that we need to get inside keys directory. We can copy these comments to get inside keys directory. Next we are going to make a directory with domain name. After that get inside, just create a directory. Next to generate keys, run this command. And don't forget to replace example with your domain name. Now the DKIM keys have been generated. Note in this command S specifies the selector and D specifies the domain. Obviously this command have created two files, one that is private key, another is public key. Next we are going to change the ownership of private key to open DKIM. Next open the public key using this command. This is the public key from this big quote to this big quote. We need to create a text record for this public key. Copy this key and head towards DNS manager. Click create record set. Select type text. In value paste the key. Remove any extra quotes. Also check for any extra spaces. In name type mail._domain key, or alternatively you can copy it from here. Next restart the postfix to load new configuration. Sudo service restart postfix. And after that restart open DKIM. It's time to test our hard work. Type dig or copy this command. Replace example. Your output should look like this. Now we will use some web-based DKIM validator. Open Google and search for DKIM validator. Copy the email ID. Open webmail. Now create an email. Paste email ID in here. Subject test, body test. Click send. As expected, our mail is signed with DKIM value. Next, we will use mail tester. Type mailtester.com. Once again, copy this mail ID and send an email to this ID. Paste it. Test. Okay, we got very bad score. Let's look at the reasons. To fix this check, we need to add more content to our email. Next, we have suggestion about SPF record. We need to add SPF value in text record. Now, next we have two more suggestions. One is about hello and other is reverse DNS. To fix reverse DNS, write to AWS, and to fix hello, go back to the guide. So we need to edit postfix main configuration file to fix hello. Look for my host name. Here it is. Replace this value with fully qualified domain name. After that, restart the postfix service. Next, to add SPF in text record, open DNS manager. Select type text and copy this SPF record value. Paste it. Save the record. Open mail tester once again. Copy email ID. Paste it. Now copy some text from this document for body. And click send. Let's check the score. So our email is almost perfect. Once you got reverse DNS working, your email will be considered as perfect. But note that even you got all this configuration done for your server, there is no guarantee that your email will not be flagged as spam. Basically, some email service providers like Microsoft flag every single email sent by newly registered domain name. It may not be true always, but it is what I found. In that case, you need to write Microsoft. Last but not least, you can also use AWS simple email service to set up DKIM instead of doing all these steps we just did. And don't forget to check pricing for Amazon SES.